Now in,
Don't touch or don't
Well,
pull on
it
it,
got
but just look at it.
sprayed.
Oh, yeah.
And
like in
there's sugar or something.
a commercial winery, what they would do, they have a machine that pops the cork, tips it over, and they add whatever wine you lose, and then they put the cork in it, and that's the final step.
Okay.
Well, we don't have the ability to do that.
Yeah, okay.
Spray, honey, don't
So,
get
do it
what I'm going to ask you to do
Yeah.
is uncork it,
Okay.
You'll be 9 in September.
and I'm going to spin it over. And,
And
all right,
this might not
tell
be
me when
the
you're
place
ready.
for you to be unless you want to get wet.
Wait a
And
minute.
I'm going to
But you can wash.
Start. Okay.
ready.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Wait. I'm going to get my thumb ready.
Okay.
Go.
Okay, ready?
Nice. Got it.
That wasn't too much loss.
Oh my God, on his shirt. Okay.
Oh no.
Never wear white to our house.
What is that?
Oh, they just opened that bubble. And it got all over
Get all wet, honey.
No, that's a little bit. I have my glasses on, so I had to give me my eyes.
Well, that was my Facebook picture for a long time when we opened it. I was just soaked.
Because I know Dom Perignon, they have it, when they do it, they have it at an angle, a certain angle, right?
Probably,
and
yeah.
They rotate it. I remember reading something
Oh,
like
well,
that.
yeah.